Alright, so the YouTube Partner Program changed their guidelines a couple of months ago, and now you need over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to become added to the new Partner Program. Now, why is that important? Because if you want to monetize your content with Google Ads, you need to actually be part of the Partner Program. Now with brand deals, sponsored deals, and especially with the low CPM that all content creators that actually are partners are receiving, it makes so much more sense for these content creators to actually go towards brand deals and sponsored deals, affiliate marketing, than it is to go with Google Ads. Today I'll be going over the different ways that you can actually earn money on YouTube without Google Ads.
Alright, so Famebit's great because it's owned by YouTube and Google, so it prevents you from being scammed in any way. It's awesome. So how it works is if you approach an advertiser and they're happy to work with you, and you set a fee, the advertiser will immediately pay the fee. Famebit will then hold on to that, and then as soon as your video is released and the advertiser is happy with your video, then you'll get paid the money from Famebit. So Famebit's a nice intermediary to make sure that you don't run off with the money and just don't deliver a product, or to make sure that you actually get paid for doing your work from the advertiser. So it's a great intermediary. Because of this, they do take a cut of about 10 or 15%, which isn't too bad for what they do, but it's a great service, 100%. So let me just show you how it works. Here you can go to the sponsorships tab and go to available. You can advertise on all these different channels, including Instagram as well, but I don't see it here. I'm going to do tech because that's what I like to do. And then you can also filter by price as well. There are some ads that are going over for, or ad gigs that are over $5,000 per video, which is pretty impressive. But I usually stick around maybe the $150, $250 range typically. So first things first, let's find something we want to advertise. Now this camera looks really, really cool. So let's click on this. Take you to a little sidebar pop-up, and it'll show you what this company wants, what the campaign goals are. Established 2001. Launched its own brand in 2008, blah, blah, blah. Sounds great, right? So you want to go send proposal. And this new window will open. And then you want to enter in your details. So I'm going to enter in $150 for the fee. I'll say 14 days to complete the actual product because they have to ship it to me. Just in case there's any sort of weird mess up with the shipping details and such, I always like to leave some extra space there. 14 days should be enough. Enter in your actual message and how you want to do the advertisement, then click send proposal, then they'll get back to you if they want to work together. It's a great service that you can use here. This is why I love Famebit. It's so just simple and streamlined to use, and it handles everything. So that's one of my favorite ways to actually make some money through brand deals and sponsored deals on YouTube. Alright, so DealSpotter is a great website which you can use to actually connect with advertisers and to promote their products. It's similar to Famebit. It's almost a direct competitor. So how it works is if you actually go to the website and then scroll down, you can try and look at all these different deals. So what you want to do is the whole point of DealSpotter versus if Famebit is on DealSpotter, you want to promote a deal for a product, whereas on Famebit, you just promote a product in general. So here, you can promote 50% off all USB-C hubs from ATEC. If you click on that, you can see that based on my influencer score of 82, I can make $247 with a YouTube video, and I get a free product worth 25 bucks. So your influence score is based on all of your social media links that are all connected to DealSpotter. So I'm not too sure how their algorithm actually works, but with my 10,000 plus followers on YouTube and my like 20 Twitter followers, they're gonna give me about $247, which is pretty impressive. As you can see down below, there's no haggling over price, by the way, whatsoever. This is the price that you will be paid. There's no increasing or decreasing like there is on Famebit. I've had to heckle a bit with pricing in the past on Famebit, but here on ATEC, this is just the flat fee, no matter what. So you'll see a free product sample with 25 bucks and a personal discount code for your readers/viewers. So 50% off is what discount code you'll actually get, which is pretty sick. As you can see here, to create a blog post or YouTube video, I'll do the YouTube video, obviously. This website is actually, in the past, it was directly targeting blogs and bloggers, but now it's more towards just all influencers in general. So quite often you'll see people saying or talking about blog posts. It's all about the video nowadays, in my opinion. So I'm really glad they made the switch over to YouTube content as well. So promote ATEC, check, and share and like this deal on DealSpotter, will do. So moving on, you can see how this works. There's no one else promoting this product yet, which is unfortunate. I'll show you this in a second, actually. If you go to a certain product which already has people influencing or promoting that product, you can actually see how well it's doing, and you can compare yourself to those who are already promoting it. So for example, this one, same thing, $247 plus $27 free product, sounds good. If you go down to who's promoting this, you can see that there actually are some channels here and content creators who are promoting this already. So if I click on this guy here, open up in a new tab, you can see that he has 5 influencer score. He has 15 Instagram influence. He has 53 Twitter influence, which is actually pretty good, to be fair. 5 Facebook, 1 blog, and then 1 YouTube. If I go into YouTube, for example, click this. I'll go to his view YouTube page. You can see that he only has, I think it's about 124 subs, which is it's not a lot. So the fact that this guy's already making money from his YouTube channel is pretty impressive, even though he only has 100 followers. So it doesn't matter how big your channel is, you can always make money through some sort of brand or sponsored deal. You can even try and find software deals as well, that if you want to try and promote like a software program or service, that's a great way to do it, because they don't even have to send you a product. They can just pay you a flat fee and give you a free serial code to download it. It's so convenient. So you definitely want to give this website a shot if you want to promote your content. If you're scared about haggling for price, this is definitely the place to go, because it's all done for you. And if you have multiple social media followings, like on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, this is a great way to actually promote a deal on all of your platforms. So check it out down below. Now, I have a serious issue with people calling out YouTube content creators as being sellouts for doing brand deals or sponsored deals, and here's why. If you're gonna watch content for free on YouTube, and this content creator that you're watching is doing this all for free, they have to have an expensive recording setup. They have to get a product, which can be expensive to actually obtain. They have to spend many hours editing. All the tools they require are so expensive, and you're gonna say, no, you can't sell me a product. This is stupid. I'm gonna leave. That's quite childish to think that way. If the product they're selling is completely irrelevant to the video, yes, sure, they're a sellout. If they're doing tech videos and they're promoting protein powder, there's something fishy going on. They're short 10 grand in their credit card. However, if it's a tech YouTuber and then they're showcasing phone cases from like D-Brand, for example, they're a huge sponsor on YouTube. There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever, because people watching that content are actually interested in getting that type of product. So if you're selling a product to the viewer, which they're actually genuinely interested in, there is nothing wrong with that whatsoever. So let's just be clear on this whole sellout thing. If you're selling the viewer a product which they will actually want or eventually need, there is nothing wrong with that. Alright, so let's talk about affiliate marketing. That's going to be our second topic today. So affiliate marketing is great because all you have to do is just pretty much include a link in your description. If someone clicks that link, buys something, you get a commission. It's as simple as that. So it's great for unboxing and review channels where they always have new products that they're showing off. So if someone wants to buy that new product, they can go to the description, click the Amazon link, go buy it from Amazon, you'll earn a commission. It's very simple and straightforward. I'm talking a lot about Amazon because they're probably the best known for having affiliate links, because they're just a massive company and they sell literally anything and everything. So of course Amazon has an affiliate link, but of course you can get affiliate links associated with Ebates and like Indigo and Chapters Books here in Canada. There's a lot of different companies, organizations by which you can actually get affiliate links from. So if you do like a certain product, it's definitely worth actually approaching that brand through the Contact Us page on their website and saying, hey, can I have an affiliate link of some sort? Can I, join your affiliate program? It's definitely worth doing. So here on Amazon, let's say I sell, someone clicks my affiliate link, buys a speaker for $100, and then there's a 10% commission on that product, then I'll earn $10. Simple as that. If someone goes and goes to my link and buys a bunch of just random products that are not even related at all to my video, I'll still earn the commission from that entire purchase. So even if they buy things that aren't related to your actual video, you'll still earn a bunch of money through the commission of that sale. So basically just driving them to the website, it makes you eligible for an actual commission. So that's really cool. It's definitely worth looking into if you want to earn some extra money on the side through YouTube. Like I said, a lot of most YouTubers don't rely on just a single, just their ad revenue alone. Having affiliate marketing programs like this are great. So definitely it's worth looking into if you want to earn some extra cash. All right, so the fourth thing I want to talk to you guys about today is going to be merch. Selling merchandise is a great way to earn extra cash on the side, and there are a bunch of different companies nowadays that you can actually use to sell your merch. So Spreadshirt is a great way that you can actually sell merchandise. So you can go and simply create a design for a t-shirt, a hoodie, a mug, a snapback, a bomber jacket, anything. They'll put it on the actual product itself. They'll screen it onto the t-shirt or to whatever, and then they'll sell it. You never even have to see the product leave. You don't even have to have your own warehouse. They do all the shipping and drop shipping for you. It's very convenient if you want to start up your own merchandise brand associated with your channel. It's a great way to earn some extra cash. This is something that I personally have not ventured in too much with recently. I'm trying to get into it right now because it's not something that I normally get into. I'm not really one for fashion, considering I wear this hoodie 99% of the time around the house. But this is definitely a great way that I want to actually enhance my channels. I want to get into merchandise. So, like I said, you can literally do almost anything with this site, and there's so many of them now. Spreadshirt is just one example of a site where you can actually create your own content. Another one's going to be Redbubble right here. Redbubble is another great option as well. There's a bunch of different websites that actually do offer drop shipping and the creation of your own designs and logos onto merchandise. They do take kind of a large cut, but keep in mind that you don't even have to see the t-shirt. You don't even have to ship it out. They do all the work for you. You don't need any equipment whatsoever besides like Photoshop or GIMP. They do everything for you. So yes, they do take quite a large cut, but it's the easiest way that you could possibly sell merch nowadays is to go through a site like Spreadshirt or Redbubble. So if you want to earn some extra cash on the side, starting your own brand associated with your channel is definitely a great idea. And I can guarantee you that about 99% of large creators out there actually have some sort of merchandise associated with them. So definitely explore. From what I've heard, Spreadshirt is a very good tool. They're based in the EU, but that shouldn't be much of an issue. So this is definitely one that I'm looking into in the next couple of weeks over the summer. But absolutely, I would definitely recommend looking into selling some merch in your spare time. Alright, so the last thing I want to talk to you guys about today is going to be online learning. So this is going to be kind of out in left field because it's very, very unique, and you probably didn't see this coming at all. But if you have any sort of channel on YouTube that is educational based, tutorial based, Udemy may be a great site for you. Basically how it works is that you can just create a full course on a certain topic and then sell it at a given price point. So most classes on Udemy end up selling for about $10 or $12 US. And you can make some extra money doing that. So what I do, since I've been doing YouTube consulting and marketing for small businesses and stuff in my area for years now, I pretty much know how YouTube works. So I thought it was finally time that I go out and actually create a YouTube course on Udemy. So I've made it. I've been working on it for the last couple of months. It's finally done now. I should be launching the next couple of days. If you want to check it out, it will be in the description down below if you want to go see. And basically the difference between my YouTube content and my Udemy content is that all my Udemy content is compact, there's no ads, and I answer 100% of the questions in the forum. I answer them all. If you have the most obscure question, I will answer you without a doubt, no problem. Why? Because you're paying for it. And I don't mind offering this as almost a free service. I know a lot of the stuff I do on YouTube is either tech related or tutorial related, but I'm going to be offering a lot of my tutorial related stuff as a more in-depth class on Udemy, just as a way I can earn some extra money on the side. If you have a large following on YouTube and you do educational content, it 100% makes sense for you to actually go and create a course on Udemy. It's a great way to make some extra money on the side, and you can do quite well from it. There are people and content creators on Udemy that make over 7 figures per month, just like how there are people on YouTube that make that. It's a great way to make some extra cash if you're already creating educational videos on YouTube. So if you do create that type of video, like educational tutorials, definitely worth checking out. They have stuff here that they do a lot of, they're kind of focused on business and computer science and programming, but they do have a lot of courses coming out now in the music and health and fitness section. There also are other sites like Skillshare, which is very, very similar. It's online classes, again, a bit shorter usually, whereas the ones on Udemy are usually several hours, like 20 to 30 hours. Well, anywhere between 2 and 70 hours is what I tend to find. And then these courses here on Skillshare are usually at most like an hour or two. They're much more brief. So it's very, very cool. It's very, very cool. If you want to get started with actually getting or creating more paid content, definitely check out Skillshare or Udemy down below. Feel free to check out my course down below as well, and I'll see you in a sec. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, definitely drop a like rating down below. It means the absolute world to me. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them all down in the comments. I'll be replying to every comment on this video. So if you have any questions, concerns, you're confused, leave it all down below. Now, I'm going to be bringing back channel reviews. So basically, if you're struggling with your channel, you're not too sure what's going wrong, you need advice, you're struggling, go to my Twitter down below in the description. Send me a direct message saying, hey, I need a channel review. Include your link of your channel and I'll go check it out. I'll review your videos, your thumbnails, tags, description, titles. I'll go over your actual content, the quality of your content. I'm trying to give you some of my advice on how you can improve your content and improve your engagement rates, viewership rates, subscribes, everything. So you need any advice YouTube related, definitely send me a DM on Twitter with your channel link and I'll try and help you out.
Now, lastly, I'm looking for some editors, music producers or graphic designers who want to collaborate. I'm looking for some more graphics for my channel just to make it look a bit more cool and fit some fancy ass transitions. And if you're in that sort of market, let me know down below on my Twitter once again, and I'd love to collaborate. I'll throw your social links into the description of my next video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, subscribe for more creator-centric content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.